It's not that I don't want you here.
Guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with Beauty Forever hair once more. So it's the same packaging as last time. I opened the box and I see my goodie bag first. I obviously got the wig. Before we get into that, I also got a elastic band branded Beauty Forever. And I got some more of these bomb wig caps, perfect for ball cap install. So that's everything in the box. So in our goodie bag, okay, I got one more, another set of these wig caps. I got another printed elastic band. I got a pair of lashes, and lastly I have one of these brush. So that's all the goodies I got into my Beauty Forever package today. Alright guys, so for today's wig, oh my gosh, for today's wig we're working with this gorgeous kinky curly 24-inch lace front wig. It's a kinky hairline as well. Can you see that? Kinky hairline around the place, like it's so trendy right now, and I guess that's because it comes off so natural looking. It's very effortless with how natural it looks. So you see that? Super kinky edges. It's a 13x4 lace front. It's a medium brown lace that we're working with. Adjustable straps. They added an adjustable strap on the inside for more security. Got adjustable straps in the back as well here, and there's a total of 3 combs on the inside. So as you can see, these curls are really tight, very tight and very full. As I said, this is 24 inches long, and it's full to the end of the hair. I am getting minimal shedding. Once I run my finger through it, this hair is very tightly curled. So shedding is very much expected, and I feel like with curly hair, you definitely have to make sure you detangle it on a daily basis, especially if you're going to be wearing it like a number of days in a row, because that way, you know, you have it as manageable as possible when you detangle it every day. So yeah, it's also of a natural color. Looks really good. I'm so ready. I'm so excited to go ahead and install this. I think I'm gonna be doing a light glue install with this, like, probably a 1 layer of glue. So yeah, I'm so ready. Let's get started with installing this. Let's go. So I'm gonna just slip this on. I did a whole ball cap vibe, okay, because felt like it. So I'm gonna cut off some of this extra lace that's in my eyes, and everything else is looking good. As I said, I'm gonna be doing a light glue install today. When I say that, I just mean I'm not going to be applying a lot of layers. I'm gonna just do 1 layer of glue for today's install. Just cut off the excess around the ears. As usual, I'm running out. I'm taking my Erica J Hold Me Down glue, and I'm gonna just take my time. And get this super laid and melted. I'll just fast forward through this portion.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare.
1 layer of glue, and then I'm gonna go over it with my olive oil fix-it spray. and this is just gonna help to just seal everything in real quickly. And I'm gonna just lay it down. I'm not doing a lot of layers, as I said, not doing a lot of layers today.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play.
So I'm gonna just take my elastic band and I'm gonna tie this down. Let that sink in a little bit more. And then I'll cut away the lace. Just tie it down for like, 2 minutes. Let it really sink down. So for the hair itself, oh my gosh, these curls are really tight. I know this is gonna look so pretty when I wet it up. Just add some conditioner to this and it's gonna be bomb. I can just tell the hair is so full. There is minimal shedding, as I said before, and you just want to make note of that and stuff. But yeah, everything else is really nice. So let me proceed to cutting off the excess lace. I'm just doing the finishing touches, just showing you how natural this looks. Super natural. I've shown you guys a couple of these kinky edge lace front wigs in recent times, and they're really just so good if you're trying to be more natural with your wig look and minimalistic at the same time, if that makes sense. They're just so much more natural. Companies keep on just changing up the game, man. Take a look at that. That looks good. That looks very natural. Yeah, that looks good. If you want, you could just later on, I'll just apply a little gel to finesse it, because what I've said before in previous videos working with this kind of these kind of edges is that once it's textured, it makes it easier to kind of form your swoops and stuff. It's really easier to work with. So alright, what do I want to do today? Should I do I've been doing half up, half downs a lot. I feel like I low-key want a pull back vibe. Okay, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just tie down. I'm gonna tie down the edges here. You know what I'm thinking? If I should do the style where I do the parting here, the 2 partings, and then kind of swoop the rest around. That would be really cute. I think I should do that. I'm gonna do that. Let's do that. Let's do that.
Time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you.
this is with the edges completely like in their initial state that they came. Yeah, I love the little sleekness hair, and then it just gets so nice and curly and poofy at the back. I'm loving this style today, and the texture of the hair. And you can tell me this don't look super natural, guys, like so natural. So now that I showed you guys the edges in its natural state, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little, you know, add a little gel to it to get it a little bit more defined, because these edges are, it's also curly. So once, you know, you add a little, you know, spray or gel to it, it will get nicely defined. And I'm just gonna do like a nice little messy edge vibe with it, you know, like messy curly, because I love the vibe of these edges. I didn't do this too uniform. I just did some messy like curly baby hairs with the edges. So this is an option. Like the curls form so effortlessly because it's textured, and it gives more of like a natural edge vibe. Again, it's optional, okay? You don't have to do it. But this is the final look of today's wig look. I love this. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Beauty Forever hair came through with this wig. The texture, everything, love it. Love it. Girl, I love this. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. Also, the specifications of this wig, it will be listed down there, so you know, read that. And I hope you found this video informative. You know, yeah, it's a look, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.